Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Perpetual here. If you're new, you're warmly welcome. And thank you so much for joining me today as we make a party size stir fry. Come along and let's get started. And for this recipe, the beef was seasoned the night before. And the ingredients will all be in the description box below. And since we're making such a big batch, we're going to fry our beef in batches. So the night before, the beef was cut into tiny strips and seasoned with ginger, garlic, all-purpose seasoning, some oyster sauce, eggs, and corn flour. And once the beef got to our preferred doneness, we removed it from the oil and fried the rest of the batches. Now, of course, I need to give due credit to Chef Ofori, who was definitely spearheading this recipe. That weekend was definitely fun. I learned a lot, and I look forward to bringing you more recipes that I learned from him. Going to add some of our raw broccoli as well as some carrots, and we're going to stir fry that for a few minutes as well. After a few minutes, our fried beef will go in, and we're going to toss that all together and then keep going. Our next ingredient to go in is our sliced zucchini, and we're going to toss that as well. I think I could not have picked a better day to post such a colorful meal. Today is Farmers Day in Ghana, and as we celebrate our farmers today, I'd just like to say a very big thank you to every farmer around the world for giving us such amazing ingredients to enjoy with our loved ones. So, on behalf of my family and my YouTube family, I say a very big thank you and ayuko to all our farmers. And as I say my thank yous, the most deserving thank you goes to my amazing community that I have built here on YouTube. I really appreciate your support. For every subscriber, for every like, for every watched video, I just want to say thank you so much for an amazing 6 months, and I look forward to creating more amazing content for you in the new year. Our next ingredient going in is some oyster sauce. Of course, the brand that you use is just a personal preference. When it comes to oyster sauce, you want to be careful with the amount that you put in. Put in a little bit and increase it as you go, as it is salty, so you do not want to overuse it. And once it is tossed and the oyster sauce has coated all the ingredients in your sauce nicely, it is time to move on to the other ingredients. Alright, so next up is our bell peppers, the red and the green. The order does not matter at all in this case. After having a quick taste, we decided to add a little bit more oyster sauce before we continued. And of course, there is no such thing as too much color, right? So our leeks and our spring onions are gonna go in at this point as well. If this does not look inviting, then I don't know what is. It looks amazing, and I promise it tasted amazing, and I cannot wait for you to add this to your holiday menu. And of course, remember to send me pictures when you try this amazing recipe out. And once it was all ready, all we did was transfer it into a large serving dish, and that was it. I just want you to take this in a bit at a time. Look how colorful, look how juicy, look how glossy the whole sauce looks. I cannot wait for you to try it because I know that you're going to love it. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to give me a thumbs up and remember to tell a friend about my amazing channel, and I will see you all again very soon. Thank you so much for coming along with me on this absolutely delicious journey. Have an amazing day. Take care.